car navigation,
Google Maps,
pizza delivery,
stock trading,
precise agriculture,
aviation,
civil aviation,
search and rescue,
timing,
to synchronize power networks, power grids,
telecommunication for the synchronization of network,
logistics,
satellite missions,
rescue operations,
satellites, constellations,
the position,
navigation.
2 questions, where and when.
Galileo.
They all use Galileo system.
and we are here this week to learn everything about it.
Galileo is the European Global Satellite Navigation System, GNSS, and it's providing an independent, fully independent positioning, navigation and timing solution based on European technology to the global users.
So we have more than 30 satellites in orbit, which sends a signal down to the user on Earth, which makes it possible for the user to very accurately determine its position and timing on Earth.
and it's the best ever system I have worked on, and I'm very proud I have developed it myself right from the beginning.
Galileo is accurate, Galileo is flexible, and Galileo is free.
It gives us independence, resilience and security as an European.
It underpins every aspect of our lives, even if we don't know it. So next time when you are commuting to work, just know that there is a beautiful Galileo satellite up there kind of helping you find your way.